welcome back to my channel. It's Lou. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you guys like what you see, which I know you will, please make sure you press that subscribe button that's down below, as well as that bell notification so you guys are notified every single time that I post a new video. Now for today's video, we are going to be talking about how to make a media kit. Now honestly, before I do start this video, make sure you guys are subscribed because we're almost at 10K. So please make sure you guys are subscribed so we can have the giveaway. Like I said, the giveaway, all the information. If you didn't know, if you didn't watch my last giveaway video, it is going to be like, I am going to be giving out away money this time, so it can help out anybody who don't have the funds to fully start their business and stuff like that. So make sure you guys are subscribed so you know we can get to 10K so we can have this giveaway. But like I said, this video is going to be about how to make a media kit. Now, if you guys don't know what a media kit is, I'm gonna give you the full rundown of what a media kit is, or a press kit. If you do look it up, it is gonna say press kit. It's either a press kit or a media kit. Now, the whole purpose why I really wanted to make this video is because I do have a lot of people messaging me about wanting to start a YouTube channel and all that extra stuff, which is great. Like I always tell you guys, I always recommend everybody to start YouTube. Like, whatever you want to do, you honestly could, you know, do a YouTube channel on it. Now, I'm not saying like just go do it for the money, because like I tell y'all, the money is something that's, if you're doing it for the money, you ain't never finna get nowhere, and you're gonna be very disappointed because the money comes like way after, honestly, and it's not even as much as you think it is. So keep that in mind. But like I said, YouTube is a very like great platform for you guys to get your information out there, get your business out there, and so on and so forth. So I always, you know, hype people about, you know, starting on YouTube because it's a very like great platform. It might have its little tweaks here and there, but for the most part, it really has like, it's a great platform to, you know, branch out and, you know, get yourself out there basically. Recently, I have been getting a lot of sponsorships from different companies saying, oh, basically different companies asking me about a media kit. Now, knowing me, I'm just starting off with, like, you know, getting sponsorship and stuff like that, and not most of them really been asking me for a media kit, but these past few ones have been asking me for a media kit. And yeah, I didn't know what none of that was. Like, I had to do a research. I'm like, what the hell is a media kit? So I went online, and it basically said a media kit is media press kit is often referred as a media kit in a business environment. It's a pre-packaged set of promotional materials, and it provides information about a person, company, organization, or cause in which is distributed to members of the media or for promotional use. AKA, a media kit is basically your resume. That's basically how I summed it down. The whole definition that it gave me. It's basically a resume that you give to companies that, you know, want to work with you, for you to promote their product and stuff like that. They basically want the rundown of your whole like, you see the things that it doesn't have to just relate to YouTube. It can be for your business as well. Like, when it relates to your business, it could be, oh, how much your business made last year, when did your business started, like your whole background about your business and stuff. What are your sales every month, what products do you provide, what services you provide, things like that. That's the thing that would be included in your media kit. Now, if it does relate to, you know, influential ways, like if it's for like your Instagram or for your YouTube, now those, clearly the information would differ. It would be how much subscribers you have, how many subscribers you gain a month, what is your target audience, what is the gender of your audience, the geographic of your audience, like things like that. That's basically what that media kit is gonna provide, and that's basically what they would be looking for a media kit, like I said, aka resume. Now, how I did go about this is, first, if you guys don't know, if you are a YouTuber, I get all those information from what is it called, Social Blade. Now, I am gonna link is it Social Blade? I think it's called Social Blade. I'm not sure. I think it is. If it's not, I'll put the correct name on the screen for you guys, and I'll also link it down below so you guys can go check it out. I don't know what Social Blade is. Social Blade is basically a rundown of your channel. It shows you the target of your target, your gender, the amount of subscribers you have, how much you gain, all that information. It just runs down your whole, the back into your business, the whole back into your YouTube channel. It will be on Social Blade, and literally I didn't pay for anything. All you have to do is just log into your Google account, which is basically gonna be your YouTube account, and it'll just give you all the information for free. Now I think they do have something that you might have to pay for, but like I said, just to get all that information that I'm telling you guys that you would need for your media kit, is all for free on Social Blade. Also, Social Blade is really good for if you are like an upcoming YouTuber, and a lot of companies are asking you, oh, how much to do this promotion, how much to do this video, how much to do X, Y, and Z. Now Social Blade is a great place for you to go, and they will give you an estimate. They'll start off from the lowest you can charge up to the highest, and also like basically the median of how much you can charge for a dedicated video. It's not even just for a dedicated video. They can put it for a mentions video, where you can just mention a company's product, or I think it even does Instagram too, like Instagram posts and stuff like that, which I find is really cool. And I'm pretty sure most of YouTubers use this if they don't have like a marketing person that does their stuff. So that's the place where you'll be able to get all that information you will need for your media kit. Now when it comes to your media kit, it was simpler than I thought it was. I didn't even have to do that. I literally did my own media kit for free. I'm actually gonna show you guys right here of how my media kit looked like. This is how it looks like. It's pretty plain and simple. It's pretty simple, and it's cute, and it does what it's supposed to do, which is, you know, provide all my information about my YouTube channel and stuff like that, which is a great. Now the app that we are gonna use to do our media kit is Canva. Yeah, I know you can never get enough of Canva. Canva is literally, it does everything for you. Like, it does everything for you, like literally. It's good for business, YouTube, all that. So let me hop into Canva real quick. Let me screen record. All right, so now we're recording, and we're gonna go into Canva. If it'll load quicker. All right, so this is how, this is how Canva looks like. If you don't know what Canva look like, if you have a business or YouTube and you don't know what it looks like, sis, you need to get acquainted to Canva. And this is basically all the things that I've done before on Canva. Y'all can see that I've done a lot, and even up to like my logos and how I post my Instagram stories. Sometimes, like I tell you, Canva is it, okay? I'm not sponsored by Canva either. They should sponsor me, because I be talking about their ass a lot. But now if you are trying to do a media kit, let me go back home. In the search bar, you will basically, as you guys can see, already popped up because I recently did this. You would just type in media kit, and all of it will pop up, all the templates that they already have. Now you can start from scratch from the one that says blank, but honestly I wouldn't do that, because yeah, I just wouldn't do that, because why do extra work when they already have templates for you? So you would just go through all the templates that they provide, and you would pick one that basically matches what you're looking for, matches your aesthetic. Whichever one is aesthetically pleasing to you and your brand, that's the one that you choose. And you would just basically go in depth and see which one you would like. And like you guys can see from the picture that I showed you how mine look like, I picked the Peach O Chick media kit, which I kind of seen a lot of girls using, but I don't care because it does all the information. And basically it will have the front of the media kit, and it will also have the front and also the, I don't want to say back, but basically the part where all, yeah, I'm so sorry, my sister's making so much freaking noise. She's making so much noise. Mom, shut her up. But yeah, it will basically show you guys the part where it have all the information for as well. Now basically when it comes to it, it's literally simple. There's really nothing that I really have to show you guys, but I'm gonna show you guys anyways. All the tabs that it shows, you can literally change. You could change all these different tabs in your media kit, like even the places that it has the all about the blog, metrics and analytics, services offered, things like that. All those tabs you can change. You could change, you could rearrange, you could write whatever else you would like on it, which is pretty cool. Now when it comes to, you know, putting the information that you would need, honestly, just put all the broad information. Like I said, I'm gonna post what mines look like if you guys are interested and you guys need like a more so specific thing to put on it. If it does relate to your YouTube instead of like your business, then I'll put that on there as a reference so you guys can check it out. But literally you would need your demographic, gender, all the things that you think is important in a resume. Like if you're going for a job and you want them to see what high school you went to, X, Y, and Z, all about yourself and stuff like that, then add that to your, basically your media kit, all the important information that you would think that they would need. Now even if for instance you did need to, let me stop recording because you guys can basically see exactly what I have to. I've sent about 2 so far to 2 different companies, and I haven't gotten any like, you know, bad reviews on it and stuff like that. I mean, I don't know why they would give any bad reviews, but basically that's how you do a media kit. Now if you are a new YouTuber, this is the perfect way for you to create a media kit. But if you are like, you know, on the bigger side and, you know, have management and stuff like that, they'll probably help you make a more I don't know, more professional. Not saying that this one is not professional, but just more upscale one for you guys. But if you're starting off, this is the perfect way. Canva is your ish to go. But if you guys find this video helpful by any means, please make sure you guys comment that down below. Also make sure you guys like this video so I can know you guys like this video and more, so I can make more videos like this, and share it to someone that you think it might be helpful to. Anyone that's in the car is so freaking disrespectful. But yeah, tag anyone that you think would, not tag, but share it with anyone that you think it'll be useful to. And thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Yeah, I got tongue tied so bad, but bye y'all.